How to get Meta Quest promo codes. In this video, if you're wanting to purchase the Meta Quest itself or Meta Quest accessories, apps, or games, here's how you can stretch down the actual price of the product that you're wanting to purchase. So before you go ahead and add this item into your cart or any items available for Meta Quest, you can go into new tab and then go into visit this site. It's going to be simplycodes.com. Now what you want to do here is to type in just the word meta. Now you're going to have to choose on, say, Meta Quest. Here, you're going to have to choose on Meta Quest that is formerly known as Oculus because this is the code that is actually working. As you can see, there are a lot of codes here available. So say, for example, you would like to have 10% off. You would like, or you can click that for you to be able to get into the description of how the code works. And then copy or click the option that says show code for you to copy the unique code and paste it into your payment tab on MetaQuest website. And that's it. That's how you get MetaQuest discount promo codes.